Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing good and doing fine. Myself, Pradeep Santosh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, and we are here to learn about chemical reaction engineering and undergraduate course. Today's class will be basically about giving you the introduction to the subject and what we are going to cover in chemical reaction engineering, and also why we need to study about this course and what we are going to study in chemical reaction engineering. Picture is worth of 1,000 words. Let us start with who is chemical engineer and how he is going to be distinguished from his other co-parts of engineers like mechanical, aeronautical engineer, and metallurgical engineer. Is a famous author called Charles Hill, in his book called An Introduction to Chemical Engineering Kinetics and Reactor Design, quoted that one feature that distinguishes the education of a chemical engineer from that of other co-parts of engineers is an exposure to the basic concepts of chemical reaction engineering. That is, you would have done several courses like fluid mechanics, that is momentum transfer, mass transfer operations, and heat transfer operations, which your friend in mechanical engineer also have done similar courses. And another friend in aerospace engineer also have done. But reaction engineering is one basic important course which innately characterizes the feature of a chemical engineer. So this is one course that other engineering disciplines normally do not do. Now we will move on to what we will going to study in chemical reaction engineering. And another famous author called Octave Levenspiel, in his book called Chemical Reaction Engineering, has stated that it's an engineering activity which is concerned with the exploitations of chemical reactions on a commercial scale. It's very interesting what exactly commercial scale. That is, with the help of this course, upgrading the lab scale reactions, what we had learned from our basic chemistry courses, towards a large scale production in industry. The same understandings are represented here through some pictures. Let's have a look on it. So, chemical reactions in a commercial scale, which means that we are no longer interested only looking at reactions in the laboratories into 100 ml flask, 200 ml beakers, and 1 liter reactor, and so on. But we want to bring in the large scale applications of chemical reactions in industries, like many. Let us see what exactly the scope of the chemical engineering, chemical reaction engineering. That is, just before moving into the details of